Pt.2 and conclusions. My considered opinion from my office. As you can see, a stunning view from Castle St Edmund, looking westward over Venta Icenorum, the old Roman town, and the Iceni marketplace. Probably Queen Boudica was there. Looking northward now over the city and towards the frozen north, otherwise known as Scotland. For this final part of the test, I'm testing each radio on its own factory supplied antenna. Apart from working in the freezing cold, this is what I'm trying to contend with. You can't see anything from the screen, barely anything even in the shade. It is literally hard work, but still in the same place. A very slight touch of sunshine, and I need right. Just testing the comparison here with the Transeng screen. As you can see, standard Transeng, but the screen is a little bit more readable than the Bofeng. So Transeng and Yaesu do get a little extra score for that one. Wow. Okay, I'm freezing cold. Yep, that sure surprised me as well. Basically, I thought the older Yaesu, which is cradle charger by the way, not USB, was a very good little radio. I was surprised that the UV-25 didn't win it, but the UV-5RH has been my favourite for reliable radio for almost a year now, and looks like it can't be beaten. You can also get it in Pro version now with GPS. So there you go, you pays your money, you takes your choice, and these are the results I've found from a practical usage out in the wilds of Norfolk. Oh well, this is not sponsored in any way whatsoever, so take the results as you find them.